Are you ready to turn off your GoFundMe donations into cash? In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to withdraw your funds directly to your bank account in 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify your GoFundMe account. Before you can access your funds, make sure your GoFundMe account is verified. This means ensuring that all your personal information like your name and contact detail is up to date. A verified account is crucial for a smooth withdrawal process. Step 2. Set up your banking information. Next, you need to link your bank account to your GoFundMe profile. Here's how. Log into your GoFundMe account. Navigate to the withdraw section. Select add bank account and enter your banking details accurately. Follow the verification steps provided by GoFundMe to confirm your bank account. Step 3. Request a withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked and verified, it's time to request a withdrawal. Log back into your GoFundMe account and head to the withdraw section. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, ensuring it meets the minimum withdrawal limit. Choose your linked bank account and double check all details before confirming the transaction. Step 4. Wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal request, GoFundMe will process it. Generally, this takes about 2 to 5 business days, so be patient. You'll receive an email notification once transfer has been initiated. Step 5. Wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal request, GoFundMe will process it. Generally, it takes about 2 to 5 business days. Step 5. Check your bank account. Finally, keep an eye on your bank account. These funds should appear shortly after processing. If there are any delays, remembering that international transfers may take a bit longer depending on your bank. Always ensure that your banking information is accurate to avoid any complications. Be aware of potential fees related to currency conversion or international transfers. Monitor your email for updates for GoFundMe regarding your withdrawal status. In conclusion, withdrawing money from GoFundMe is straightforward. If you follow these steps, by keeping your account updated and ensuring accurate banking details, you can enjoy hassle-free transfer of funds. Good luck with your fundraising efforts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.